Hey Patrick, this is Viola from Generational Leads, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you so much for taking the time out to talk with me yesterday. Great conversation, and thanks for clicking on this video. So, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there who just don't have the time to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially since they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this, give me a call so we can chat. If you want to do it yourself, please do. And in your case, as we talked about yesterday, you can have your guy in Cali give me a call, or you can send it over to him and let him do what he wants to do with it as well. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, your website is a great looking website. I love how fresh and clean it is, how easy access it is. The pictures are pretty, awesome quality pictures, the right size. Yeah, it's just a good looking website overall. However, Google doesn't rank based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you mostly based on content. So when somebody clicks on Google and they type in carpet cleaning Augusta, Georgia, Google's goal is to put them in front of the article that's going to answer all of their questions, which typically is the article that has the most words on it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,890 words on it. And you guys' website, I want to say, has about maybe 920, somewhere around there. So you're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on this home page here, on this home page. So that way, 1,500 is going to be the best way to go. Now, if you take a look over at your competitor, one of your competitors, Certified Clean Care, they're also in Augusta, Georgia. If you take a look at their site, they don't have 1,500 words. So, you guys can blow them out. They do have a little bit more content than you, but they don't have 1,500. So 1,500 to 2,000 on yours, that's tip number one. That's going to get to blow them out of the water. Now, also, images. Images count as content. So if you save these pics, because you guys have a lot of good pics on here. Let's see. Boom. See, if you save these pics as a keyword that people are ranking for or people are looking for on Google, Google is going to recognize that, and that's going to help you get ranked as well. And after that, you want to make yourself more trustworthy, and Google bases this off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, you're going to get a lot more power from another carpet cleaning company linking to you rather than Pizza Hut linking to you, because obviously you don't sling pizzas for a living. So I use this little tool here, and it's called Ahrefs. I pay about $1,000 a month for it, but it can give you such valuable data about what's going on in the back of the websites. Now, as you can see, it says here that you guys have 3 websites linking back at you, and which is giving you guys, nobody's clicking on organic traffic from these 3 no, not even from these 3 websites. There's no organic traffic to your site because of that. This is nothing to scoff at, again, because there's so many different carpet cleaning, upholstery, different companies that are out there that don't even have a website, yet let alone have any referring domains or websites linking to them. So that's pretty good. Now, if you take a look at your competitor in the same tool, Ahrefs, you see them here, Certified Clean Care, they have 45 referring domains. So if you want to beat them, you're going to want to add about another 75 websites linking to you. And what I would do is I would just copy them. Whatever websites are linking for them are going to link for you also. So just go down this list, and you can either create an account with these companies, or you could just go and click contact us and just ask for a link. But imagine if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, you're going to take their organic ranking, which means you're going to take their organic traffic. So let's see how much organic traffic they have here. Let's go back to the overview. Where is it? Here we go. Their traffic value, 2,800. Imagine how much more money you can make if you were averaging an extra 2,800 per month just from Google. I mean, that's a ton of business, right? So that's why it's so important to do this. And let's go back to the Google page here, the Google search. When somebody clicks on, we'll use this, carpet cleaning Augusta, Georgia, and they're ready to buy, they're ready to use your services, they call the first carpet cleaning company that shows up. That seems trustworthy. They usually skip the ads. I mean, people always skip the ads because that's whether it be because of ad blockers or bad experiences. So where you're going to want to rank yourself is in the local map pack, which is right here. All right. And the purpose for that is this section here requires that you have more citations than your competitors. That's how you get in these top three. Anywhere where your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. I mean, these are the most common ones, but the best strategy here is to figure out exactly what strategy, what directories your competitors are in, and put yourself in the same exact directories, and then add a bunch more on top of that. So if Carpet Cleaning Pros Augusta, Georgia has 150, then you guys, well, as you can see, they have 253. You need to do exactly how much they have and then add another 150 on top of that. So that's about all I have for you. Just a quick recap. You want to get your website upwards of 1,500 to 2,000 words, adding these keywords onto every picture you have. And the keywords, just to show you the organic keywords, let's go into the competitor. You just click on organic keywords. Boom. These are all the keywords that they're using that people are clicking on them for. They're in position number 1 over here, position number 6 for carpet cleaning Augusta, Georgia. Look, 300 people a month click on this, or 300 people a month type this in and click on it. And this keyword needs to be on your site, on your page. So again, just go in here and you can do that. Okay, so you want to do that. You are going to want to have at least 75 to 100 referring domains linking back at you. And you're going to want to put your name in you put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. So if you want to do all this yourself, please do. Again, this is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just send me back some feedback. Let me know if this was valuable information. Now, if you want any help doing it, you can give us a call. My phone number, as you know, is 404-345-2771. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.